funky, the funky, the funky.
Welcome back, everybody. In this segment, I won't talk about Sowore. I won't talk about Sunday Igboho. I won't talk about Nnamdi Kanu. I won't talk about every lovers of freedom in Nigeria. But the person when we will first start with now, Omoyele Sowore. Before we go into this segment, for those of you who never subscribed before, and when they come across our videos, from Kudisi, make sure they subscribe and make sure they share our videos. And as you do so, now so God will continue to bless you. Yes, someone like Funky D in 2019, now him I come across that name when they call Omoyele Sowore. But the news tell us say it don't take when Sowore they fight, even fight with Abiola, and a good fighter for that matter. So before the 2019 election, in fact, I say now come begin follow Sowore. Come see, come go back, they read things when Sowore don't do. Come go back to history, like the time when Abiola they and all those things. I can say, now true, this guy now, could be genuine fighter. Make I begin to follow this guy and his nature, his kind of personality. In fact, I was moved, after reading and seeing the way when Sowore they operate. So, and after the 2019 election, I can't see things what they do to Sowore. I can't see how Nigeria they work. I can't see, man. No, this one Nigeria, no. No. I'm not going to follow this one Nigeria of a thing again. Make I begin follow Nnamdi Kanu. Already, I don't already know Nnamdi Kanu. See the kind of fight when that one they fight. See, now better fight this guy they fight for my people. So because all of us come from the West, I can say, these people they are good. I can't tell my fans see, make them Nnamdi Kanu and Omoyele Sowore come together and begin to fight this liberation of everybody, not one Nigeria of a thing, because one Nigeria of a thing is not going to work. So after all these things, I can see, man, I will follow Sowore, but based on the fight when in the fight, but if they fight for one Nigeria, I no go follow Sowore again. You understand? But that will not mean say I dislike Sowore. No. Or that will not mean say everything when Sowore they talk, I must believe him. No. Everybody have their own idea and the way you think, the way you reason. That not means if I follow Nnamdi Kanu, not mean say everything when Nnamdi Kanu they talk, say I must follow or believe in Nnamdi Kanu. Because me, I still get my own common sense to reason on my own based on who I be as Funky D. Everything when Sunday Igboho they talk, or every freedom fighters in that country they talk. Not be say I must to follow everything when they just tell us. No. But and again, I still they follow them the way when they follow them. So today I want let Sowore know say making stop this in one Nigeria of a thing. Because Sowore, even though say you win election in that Nigeria, which we know say you no go ever, you self personally know say you no go ever win any election in Nigeria as Nigeria is concerned today. You know that because you don't already see what they do to you in 2019. Everybody don't see. Even after the 2019, the intimidations continue up to date. These people till 2023, then will continue to intimidate Sowore, to oppress Sowore. As far as Sowore still deal with that is AAC and that one Nigeria mindset. One Nigeria mindset, Sowore, please take it out from you, because one Nigeria is not going to work and it's not working, and you won't be in that one Nigeria. They won't allow you to be in that one Nigeria. In fact, God, when they keep Sowore alive today, know the reason why in they keep Sowore alive. These people will be Northerners, even the Yoruba people, when they be politicians, they are not good people. Sowore have to be very, 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 very careful the way he's fighting this fight when they fight with Nigeria of a thing. Even the people when you want to save in one Nigeria, they don't want you to save them. All of us don't see what happen in 2019. So, the reason why when I bring this topic today regarding Omoyele Sowore, Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, although we don't see Sowore don't write Nnamdi Kanu, and I don't tell them I say even those who fight revolution today, that on a revolution I fight them today, and come become one Nigeria again, it's not going to work. It will never ever ever work. The best way now to fight this fight of this revolution now, dismantle everything, scatter everything, then Igbos go, Yoruba then go, Middle Belt people go. That's all. If you don't fight finish, say, oh, you won't come together again as one Nigeria, even though say 3 of una, Nnamdi Kanu, Sowore, and Sunday go come together, so decide, say, okay, una go be one Nigeria, una know if you survive. Una know if you succeed the whole thing. Because those people when don't corrupt before, those corrupt entities when they inside one Nigeria, they go bounce back. APC and PDP thing, they go bounce back. Alamajiri thing, them, they go bounce back. The Fulani people, then go bounce back. That is after revolution now. So una don't fight and can't succeed fight and can't go back again say one Nigeria, one Nigeria. No. Una fight finish, everybody go their own way. They call on Sowore, they call on Nnamdi Kanu, they call on Sunday Igboho. All of them are get supporters, big supporters for that matter. Supporters when APC and PDP they not get them. They don't see them because all the whole supporters when Sowore get na organic supporters. Supporters when Nnamdi Kanu get na organic supporters. The one when Sunday Igboho get all na organic. APC and PDP one na money that they pay. And we not see them. They not get any supporter. Buhari not get any supporter. Everything is just propaganda. Everything is just mouth because they are paying the people when they call themselves the medias when they Nigeria. That is why you see that they progress. Then they patch up, they progress. Those medias when they Nigeria, we have to bring them down because now them they support all these elements when they call APC and PDP. If we not bring those medias down to their foot, we not go succeed. The only thing I tell you already today, and we are not pretending about this thing, call Nnamdi Kanu again. Find a way to talk to Nnamdi Kanu, Sunday Igboho, make una come together. If you dey fight this or one Nigeria, you no go fit fight her. This one Nigeria, it not a work, Sowore. Nnamdi Kanu na good fighter in the fight to liberate in people. Sowore fight to liberate the Yoruba people. Sunday Igboho fight to liberate the Yoruba people. Forget your fight where they tell us, oh, you want fight herdsmen, you want make them go out from Yoruba land so that people go live in peace. Yes, we know, see, that one good, but it is not going to work because a lot of saboteurs in Yoruba lands. How you want to take work when somebody like Tinubu then dey? How you want to take work when somebody like Governor Sanwo-Olu then dey? Femi Fani-Kayode, all of them dey there. How you want to fight this fight of expelling everybody when they for Yoruba land and everything will just they come like that? According to what we hear, if they don't expel these people, Ogun State, then we'll go. Now this place that they stop, Kogi State. Then from Kogi State, because Ogun and Kogi State and they very close, this herdsmen that will see turn back in the bush, go back to the same place. So you no go ever work, say you they claim, they come, they tell us, say you won't fight herdsmen, you want liberate, you want make them go, make them stop to disturb your people, then you must do harm and this and that. No, because you are not going to succeed. You are not, I am telling you frankly speaking, Sunday Igboho can never ever succeed like that. The only way when you will take succeed now to fight for Oduduwa. just exactly like Nnamdi Kanu, they fight. The only way when Sowore go take succeed, if you want anything, me, I don't know what in be Sowore interest. I don't know what in Sowore want they fight for. Maybe, for example, if they don't, do the revolution now, So, Sowore have to join hand with Sunday Igboho. The thing when they kill our people, now people they raise too much shoulder. That is pompousness. This one don't pass that level. This one, remove this, you are that, remove it from you and focus the real thing when they happen. The real thing we say, herdsmen is real. They are killing, they are marrying, they are kidnapping. In fact, they are killing, that is, herdsmen is real. The threat of these Northerners, not be only the herdsmen, all the whole Northerners, when the APC and PDP, their threat is real because now them they do all these things. Now then they cause all these things. With the help of some couple of people from southeast and southwest, like Bola Tinubu, Okorocha, them all these people. So if you want to say you want to fight for one Nigeria, as you already claims in the fight for one Nigeria, and the Sunday Igboho they talk, say we still want one Nigeria, I don't want anything, now only piece of his people. Of course it's good, but it's not going to work like that. Then the kind of fight when Sunday Igboho they fight, at the end of the day, you will see say he no go succeed. A lot of political enemies in the southwest, in the southeast, everywhere. That is why you cannot succeed just like that, Sunday Igboho. The only way where you will succeed now to join in on the Kanu, Sowore, all the whole freedom fighters when they that country, including us when they overseas. All of us will join hands together to make sure see the country disintegrate. Otherwise, we are still in big problem. Whether Sunday Igboho eliminate 10,000 or expel 10,000 cattle headers or Fulani terrorist people in that state, in Oyo, in Ogun, in Lagos, it's still not going to work because the government did there when they support them. The governor, your governor did there. Like I don't tell you that before. See, Amotekun, the very first day when they rule out this Amotekun, now I know see now political. Now I know see now all these people when be governors, they bring Amotekun for something. Because the government never even threatened them. They don't already submit Amotekun to IGP at Amu. Today, Amotekun Day under the palm of the northern criminals. Amotekun Day under the palms of Fulani herdsmen. Amotekun Day under the palms of Miyetti Allah people when they rule Nigeria. So tell me now how you want to survive. Let's say Sunday Igboho, as in the talk say anyone send them out from the southwestern part of the country. And the governors stay there. When Amotekun catch them, then go submit them to AK. AK, when we say if you make hate to the Fulani Janjaweed or the Fulani terrorists, then go ban AK go bounce on you. AK go to defend them. Then AK go release them. So how you want to work? The same to the southeastern part of the country. The same to the middle belt. How you feel say it won't take work for you when people, when they defend herdsmen, they are all bigger than you. That is the people when they into power today. They are all bigger than you. If Sunday Igboho they serious, making begin to fight for his people. If Sowore they serious, ladies and gentlemen, making join Sunday Igboho, gather supporters. Then now they come with his supporters. Everybody with their supporters. Then will start their revolution. Whether not peaceful revolution, but I want to tell you that there is nothing like peaceful revolution. You can't say revolution without arm or revolution now, peaceful revolution. No. Those people, when they're on top, if you want them peacefully, those people, when they're on top, they will come with arms. So everybody got to be ready. And when we they talk, we know what will they talk. Because never a country when they do any peaceful revolution. If you, when be You when be ordinary citizen, okay, you want them peacefully. The people when be the government, they don't want them peacefully with you. So when you dey talk, or when you dey speak in public, or when you dey talk to your fans, you go know wetin you dey talk, because no revolution when they be peaceful. Because the government themselves, they no go quiet, they look at you, you do your peaceful revolution, you want take over power, or you want disintegrate the country. It's not going to be peaceful. That is why Nnamdi Kanu they talk, see, maybe the revolution is going to be bloody. Now the thing when Nnamdi Kanu they talk. But in some quarters, they say, oh, revolution without arms. What do you mean, revolution without arms? Even if you say you not get arms, you, when they do the revolution, you say you want them peacefully. I say your president, your governors, all of them, they gang up together. They don't want them peaceful. The police, the army, they their side. Even all these Boko Haram herdsmen, they their side. So how you want to get them peacefully? When they know, see those people, when be herdsmen, and then go fight for them when it starts. So today, I say I come out for Sowore, ladies and gentlemen. Come out for Nnamdi Kanu. Although we know Nnamdi Kanu own now, that is 100% genuine. Now one place when Nnamdi Kanu stand, I stand. But Sunday Igboho own, they make me sometimes, I don't know, because that one say, in one ask Fulani people to leave Oyo and Ogun State and Lagos State and everywhere where they in the Yoruba forest and everywhere where they just like that. So I want my advice to Sunday Igboho be say, you no go ever walk like that. And that kind of a fight. Nobody will ever leave you your forest just like that. Even you, when be the Sunday Igboho, you don't see and say, now so it be. Because those people, when they catch 80 people recently, day before yesterday, with the help of Amotekun, according to their claim, they released them, ladies and gentlemen. The police leave them and say, oh yeah, I'm gonna go. They said don't provide them, make them go. So Sowore join Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, join Sunday Igboho. Sunday Igboho start fighting for Oduduwa people. Stop this, you won't send them out, because it is not going to work. There is a lot of enemies in the southwest. Where somebody like Bola Tinubu won't become president, now you see you won't just do all these things. When they didn't know, see that all those people are in two where they take the fight. You don't see this man, what they call this guy, Bola Tinubu, condemn herdsmen, or condemn Boko Haram, or condemn all these kidnappers. No, they can't do that. Even people, when they back them up, like M. Solomon, they are all kidnappers before. All of them get their group of people when they used to disrupt things. Look at 2019 election. Look at what they do. You know, so ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when carry me come out today with that to make sure Sowore stop this is one Nigeria, because it's not taking you to anywhere. The one Nigeria will never ever help Sowore. It will never ever help Sunday Igboho. It will never help any freedom fighter in that country. Then you know that whatever you are fighting for is in vain if you continue with this one Nigeria ideology. If you continue with this one Nigeria mindset, so I want just remove them, I want peace, I don't want to disintegrate the country, I don't want this make Oduduwa be, I just want to send the herdsmen to where they come from. You are killing your goddamn time. That is why Sowore have to be together with Sunday Igboho. Forget your mindset of one Nigeria or trying to be president of the country. You can never be in that country. We don't assess them. We don't watch. We don't see. We don't really assess the whole matter. Not today, not tomorrow, and not forever when you will be president of Nigeria. Even though say you win election, you cannot be, because those people will never ever allow you for a second to stay in power.